What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Daily Forex. So today I have a massive update for you guys that can make you daily profit trading crash and boom indices, right? So today is the last day of the year and I've decided to show you guys this awesome and powerful strategy that you can use to grow your small account into a big account, trading crash and boom indices with breakout structure and price action as well. All right, so if you want to know how to make daily profit using this strategy that I'm about to share with you guys right now, then stick to the end of this video so that you can understand everything that I've said in this video. All right, so let's get on with it. So this strategy is for crash and boom. Okay, crash 500, crash 300, crash 1000, boom 1000, boom 300, boom 500. This strategy for the breakout structure and the price action, right? So now you need to be good in technical analysis as well, right? But with this strategy, you can just use this breakout structure alone to make massive daily profit. Just watch out about what I'm going to share with you guys right now. Okay, so we're trading this on the 5-minute time frame. What we're going to do right now is to draw our trend lines. So go to this trend. I'm going to choose on this trend line right here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're trading the trends. Okay, we're trading the trends with the breakout structure, right? So if you want to draw your trend, take a look at this position right now. This position right now, this market, you can see how the market is moving, right? Gathering liquidity power. So what we're going to do is to put in this line, right? We're going to draw the trend line right here. As you can see, we're going to draw the trend line at the edge of the candle tick, which is the red candle tick. So let me zoom in real quick so that you can see it clearly, right? So now I've zoomed. Now you can see that we're going to take it from the tip, right, from the edge of the red candle tick, which is the spike. Okay, so what we're doing on crash, we're trading the spike, we're not trading the candle ticks, meaning that we're not trading the bullish, we're trading the bearish pattern. That's how we're going to, we're just like cashing spikes with this strategy, and it really works well, right? So what we're going to do right now, you can see that I've drawn the trend line and I ended at this point. Okay, at this point. Now you can see after this point there was a breakout. Take a look at it. There was a breakout, right? There was a breakout. So this trend line that I've just drawn at the edge of these red candle lines, you see, when there's a breakout, know that the market is going to sell. Okay, if there's a breakout below this line that I've just drawn, the market is going to sell. Take a look at it. Take a look at it, guys. Let me zoom out so that you see what I'm talking about. Take a look at it. The market is going to sell from this point right here. Take a look at it. It sold here to this point. You can see the profit. If you took a sell from here, right here at this point, it sold down, it went again, it sold down, right? You can see the profit. Okay, you can see the profit which you have made from this market that I just show you guys right now. So how do you know if the market is going to break out? How will you know? Let's say, for example, now the market is in this position, right? And you've drawn your trend line to this edge, to this point. All you need to do is just wait for a breakout. Once the red candle breaks below that black line you see that I've drawn, the market is going to sell and you're going to be in a profit. Okay, you're going to be in a profit. Take a look at it at this point. Remember, we're trading just the red candlesticks. We're just taking the sell, we're not taking the buy. Okay, we're not taking the buy. So what I would do is to draw another line at this point. Again, take a look at it. You're drawing it from the bottom. Okay, you're drawing it from the bottom. Now in a position like this, where do you see a line? What you do is take it from this point right here at this to this point. Okay, you're taking it from this edge right here. You can see, take a look at it. Take a look at it. You can see the three markings. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here is 1, here is 2, here is 3. There was a breakout. Take a look at it. There was a breakout. This red line, it created a buy. That's why you see there was a space. So when you start creating a buy, it created a sell immediately and it broke out. You can see the profit. You can see the profit from this market again. So when you're trading on crash 500, crash 300, crash 1000, what you need to look out for is to draw your trend line first. Okay, you need to draw your trend line first. Now we're seeing that this market right here is on a downtrend. Okay, so after you have drawn this first line right here, what you do is to draw in another line immediately after the market have sold. You need to draw another trend line so that you see the market movement, or you can use the moving averages. If you don't want to draw another trend line, you can use the moving averages. Okay, so you can see how perfect this strategy is. Okay, then for price action as well, we all know that when price gets to the higher high, the market will sell. When it gets to the lower low, the market will buy, right? So that's for forex currency pairs, but now we're trading crash and boom, which is synthetic indices. So you can see at this point as well, all you need to do is just draw your trend line and you wait for a breakout. You draw your trend line, then you wait for a breakout. Okay, you wait for a breakout. All you need to do is draw your trend line, you wait for a breakout. After the breakout, you take the profit, you take a sell. I hope you understand what I'm saying, guys. You take a sell from that point. Okay, you can see at this point as well, you draw your trend line, from this point right here, from the bottom, guys. You take it from the bottom. Okay, you take it from the bottom. Then once there's a breakout below this black trend that I've just drawn, the market will sell. Take a look at it. The market will sell. As easy as that. The market will sell once there's a breakout. Okay, once there's a breakout, take a look at this point. You can see this profit that I made right here. I took a sell, I hesitated at this point. I took a sell here, I hesitated because I knew that the market is going to sell, right? So you draw your trend line from this point right here. It doesn't need to be perfect. All you need to do is to look for a smooth line. You draw your trend line. Okay, you draw your trend line. Once there's a breakout, you take a sell. You will be at a massive profit. Take a look at this profit that I made at this point. Take a look at this profit, guys. You can see this profit that I made at this point. I took a sell. You can see this profit, very massive profit, guys. So this is how you can trade using breakout structure. Okay, using breakout structure, what you do is you draw the trend line from the tip of the red lines below. Okay, you draw it below on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, you can also go to the 1 hour time frame as well if you want to get a better structure, right? You can also draw from the 1 hour time frame as well. Okay, for example, let's place our trend line from this point right here. Let's place our trend line from this point. Remember, we're marking it from here. Okay, so here, right here. Okay, we're taking it from here at this point right here. So you can see the profit from this market. Okay, take a look at it. Take a look at the profit, guys. Take a look at the profits. Once there's a breakout, it will sell. Okay, it will sell. This is the 1 hour time frame. Once there's a breakout, it will sell. So you can do it on the 1 hour time frame. You can do it on the 5-minute time frame as well. On the 1 hour time frame, you can do it to see the market properly. Then you can go to the 5-minute time frame immediately. Okay, because on the 5-minute time frame, the market moves quickly than the 1 hour time frame, right? So that's why I said in the beginning you should use the 5-minute time frame so that you can see the market movement immediately. But on the 1 hour time frame, the market movement is really slow, so you won't be able to see how the market moves quickly, just like the market moves very fast on the 1-minute time frame. But on the 5-minute time frame, the time depends on how fast the market will move. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can do this on boom, right? So this is for crash, and I'm going to show you how you can do this on boom and make profit as well. So remember, guys, I said Once there's a breakout, when the line breaks below the trend that I've drawn, which is the black trend, the market is going to sell, right? So now we're going to boom 500 index, right? Remember I said for crash and boom indices, or crash and boom indices strategy works. It even works on currency pairs and volatility 75 as well, right? So what I'm going to do is to go to boom 500 index. So now I'm boom 500 index and we are on the 1 hour time frame, right? On the 1 hour time frame. So I'm going to start with the 5-minute time frame. We're not using the 1 minute or 15 minutes, the 5 minutes or the 1 hour time frame, right? So what I'm going to do is to go to the 5-minute time frame. So while on the 5-minute time frame, I'm going to zoom out a little bit so that you can see the market structure clearly. So this is perfect, guys. This is perfect. Take a look at this 3 trend lines that I've drawn. These 3 black trends. This is 1, here is 2, here is 3, right? If you take a look at these points, let me zoom in a little bit at this one so that you can see what I'm talking about. Right here, you see that this is the blue line. This is a spike. Okay, this is a bullish candle. And we took the candle from the tip, which is from this edge right here. We took it from here all the way to this point, and there was a breakout. There was a breakout. We saw that the market was buying and was selling, and you can see that it took a very big buy. If we have drawn another trend line from this point, you will see that when there's a breakout, the market will continue, to buy. Okay, you can see this is a downtrend right here, and you can see where the market is at this point. Okay, so we draw the trend line from here to here. So if you are on the market and you see a structure like this, okay, from here to here, what you do is to draw your trend line and mark it to the very last trend of the green candle, then wait for a breakout. Once you see a candlestick that has crossed above the black trend, know that the market will buy immediately. The market will spike up. Okay, the market will spike up, and as you can see right here, the market sold a little bit. That's why you see that this green candle, there was a very thin line in the green candle. Take a look at it. If I zoom in, you see this thin line right here. The market sold a little bit, then it bought. You see, it sold, then it break through the line, then there was a buy. Okay, there was a buy. If I zoom out again, you see. Okay, so all you need is to wait for this type of opportunity, then you draw your trend line for a buy entry. Okay, we're buying on boom while we're selling on crash. Okay, we're selling on crash to catch spikes. We're buying on boom to catch spikes, right? You can also set stop loss as well. Okay, so when you sell on crash 500, you set your stop loss as well, right? But this strategy works perfectly all the time. Take a look at this point. I draw my black trend line to this point. There was a breakout, so immediately I saw that there was a breakout. You see the market continue to buy upwards again. Take a look at this point again. Take a look at it. There was here, I draw the trend line from here to this point. Immediately there was a breakout. It continued to buy, right? Continued to buy. Although the market sold one candlestick, but I knew that the market will buy, because the market has created here. Look at this 3 top. Look at the top here. There's another top. There's another top here, right? So I drew the trend line from this point to this point. There was a breakout, right? There was a breakout. So immediately there was a breakout. The market bought. Okay, the market bought. Let me show you guys. Right here, you can see at this point. Okay, we're not using any indicators, so we're just using the trends and breakout alone. So what you do now, take a look at this. Perfect. Draw our trend line from these points. Make sure you take it from the very edge point. We took it from here to this point right here. Okay, or you can take it from here like this, so that it will touch the last line, which is at the top right here. Okay, then what you do is to draw another trend line. If you want to see the market movement, you can see that this market is in an uptrend. So what will come to your mind from this point is a buy, because the market will eventually buy, because this is an uptrend. we're clearly seeing an uptrend already. This is an uptrend now. Take a look at it. Okay, this is an uptrend. Let me draw the line so that you can see it perfectly. This is an uptrend. Okay, you can see now. So this is an uptrend. At this point, it's an uptrend. If I put the moving averages, you will see that it's an uptrend. Let me put the moving averages so that you can see what I'm talking about perfectly. Let me put the moving averages on indicator window 1, moving average. Okay, you can see this is an uptrend. It's already creating an uptrend, guys. Take a look at it. An uptrend. This is an uptrend. An uptrend. So what will come to your mind at this point is that the market will buy. The market will buy. Okay, the market would buy. We'll just draw the trend line. You see there was a breakout, and when there's a breakout, it will continue to buy, just like the Bollinger Bands. There's a strategy that I explained previously in one of my videos concerning the Bollinger Bands, that when there's a breakout, after when the candlesticks touch the upper Bollinger Bands, the market will continue to buy. Okay, that's how I explained it on that particular video. You can check my videos, you're gonna see how I explained that. So you can see what I'm talking about. At this point, there's a breakout, right? There's a breakout. Then take a look at this point as well. Right here, you take the trend line from here, from the tip, guys. From this point, there's a breakout. The market bought. Take a look at it. Take a look at it. The market bought. You can see there's a breakout, it bought, then it sold, it went again. Okay, so this is a perfect strategy for you guys to make profit trading crash and boom, and make profit massively, guys. You just saw how I explained the strategy to you guys, and how you can use it to make profit daily trading crash and boom indices without the need of indicators. All you need is just a breakout structure. Find your breakout structure perfectly, then produce price action as well. Check the higher time frame to confirm your entries, right? So I didn't talk about a sell on this point because we're just trading the spikes. With this type of strategy, we'll on crash, we sold, on boom, we'll buy. Right, guys, so I believe after watching this video, you now understand how to trade crash and boom and make massive profits using breakout structure and price action as well. All right, so if you find value in this video and you really enjoyed watching this video, then do it to like and subscribe to the channel, the Daily Forex. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.